AC12 interview by Superintendent Hastings, DI Fleming, DI Arnold. On screen, item reference LBD1. LBD1 is an email sent by your principal private secretary, Martin Reynolds, inviting more than 100 Downing Street staff to attend a party on the evening of May 20th, 2020.
All that is subject for an interview, for an investigation by Sucre.
We've investigated it, and the facts are plain for everyone to see.
On May 20th, 2020, the whole country was in lockdown.
Only an hour before the party began, Oliver Dowden, your culture secretary, made a statement reminding the public of COVID regulations.
People were only permitted to meet with one person outside the household in an outdoor, public place provided that they stayed 2 meters apart.
Sir, a gathering like the one described in LBD1 would have been a breach of the health protection regulations in operation at the time, as well you know.
All the evidence I can see is that people have stayed within the rules. If that turns out not to be the case, and people wish to bring allegations to my attention or to the police or whoever, then of course there will be a proper sanction.
I can assure you, people have brought it to the attention of the police. Sir, did you breach said health protection regulations?
All of that, as you know, is the subject of a proper investigation by Sucre.
During lockdown, people had to cancel their weddings.
They were kept from visiting sick relatives.
People couldn't gather to bury their loved ones.
Families were separated. People were making incredible sacrifices.
But not you. Oh no. You partied.
The rest of the country were following the rules.
Your rules.
Doing their bit, doing their duty.
It wasn't just a case of one rule for us and another for them. It was more like no rules for us.
I want to apologise.
The only thing you're sorry about is you got caught.
I believed implicitly that this was a work event. It could be said technically to fall within the guidance.
A work event? Do you often have work meetings where everyone's told to bring their own booze?
With hindsight, I should have sent everyone back inside.
You broke the law. It's you who should be inside.
I have satisfied myself that the guidelines were followed at all times.
And we're satisfied you knowingly and intentionally flouted the rules because you believe you're above the law. Well, fella, you've got another thing coming, believe you me. Because there are rules. The rules that bind us as a society and as a people.
Fairness.
Decency.
Integrity.
The party's over.
Those were people at work. Those were meetings of people at work talking about...
Mother of God, you must think we were born yesterday, fella. Your corruption was mistaken for incompetence. If you have got one shred of compassion for all those families who sacrificed so much, who lost so much, you'll go and let them have done with you.